XRP and XLM are telling an interesting story this July 4th. Independence Day here in the United States, which means banks and traditional markets are shut down. But what's open is crypto. Yes, money should move 24/7. Crypto does, and we're covering the latest and hottest crypto news. We're going to talk about venture capital funding, along with XRP, XLM price action, up to date, volume juicy goodiness, and what if I got a little bit of PEPE to throw in there? Hold up, just the tip of PEPE, but PEPE. Let's get into it, everyone. Now we're going to swing it on over to XRP price talk because yes, the United States is on financial vacation right now. Nothing in the banking system is open, which means money's not moving in traditional senses. That being said, it's put kind of a softness on the trading of XRP globally. Let's take a quick look at that. And you can see in the last 24 hours, we're down 12.9% in terms of trading volume. So there was a lot more people trying to get action in on Monday. But now today, seeing a little bit of a pause. Let's now take a look again at that price action. You can see we've tried the high here of 49.3, could not break that 49.3. We have since been pushed down a couple times, sitting right now at 48.5. Let's look at where the volume is coming from. I've got the chart up on the screen that shows volume of XRP on exchanges. Binance, obvious, big one here, 155 million for XRP. That's a big number. That is a big, okay, real quick. We're going to come back to this, but let me compare that. While we know the top one for XRP is at 159 or 55 million. The top one for XLM is Coinbase at 6.4. So XRP's top pair is 155 million. XLM's is sitting at 6.4 million. You can see these smaller exchanges here are definitely part of the XRP movement, with some of them being ranked 553rd, 439, 330th. Upbit, hey, we see that one all the time, big pairing all the time with the Korean won. But overall, volume of XRP is down. It's soft. And when you look at it zoomed out a little bit here, yeah, that's exactly what the story is. Look at how low it is when you look at it comparatively. Right? Yes, we are moving our way on up from two repeated lows sitting at 45.6. But it's soft. There's nothing yet to push us through that 50-cent mark. People are taking a little bit of pause on July 4th globally. Let's get into that XLM talk. XLM. All right. Twin Peaks here. Twin Peaks is the story. 11 cents. Tried it twice. Couldn't hold on to it. Since then, XLM is retracing quite a bit. Let's zoom out a little bit and put this into the 5-day. And you can see we're well under where we need to be price-wise for FTX time. That's this line right here. And you can see it as we move this chart, Twin Peaks, reversal. 10.4 is where we're sitting at right now. In the month, here's the idea. Let's take a look at the month. Had the high right here sitting at 11.6. Could not hold it. Now, granted, though, let's look at this. Honestly, let's look at this the right way. Still above 10 cents, but the obvious direction is moving down right now. And again, without volume going on in the market, and when we look at the pairs, right, you can just see XLM does not have big volume in pairs. Binance only 4.2 million. 4.2 million, that's it. Coinbase, 6.4, that's it. I mean, that's not that much. Upbit's got 1.9 million. So you're not seeing a lot of volume right now with XLM. Now, when you hear people talk about liquidity issues with XLM, here's what they're talking about. XLM is having a liquidity problem because a whole bunch of people buy it, but don't want to sell it. When you look at some of the stats, you can see the buy ratios of XLM being as high as 98% buy, 2% sell on certain exchanges. That's not liquid. Why? Because you don't have a lot of people putting it on the market. Imagine it like housing. What if all you had out there were buyers but no sellers? That's not a real liquid market, is it? So when they say XLM has liquidity problems, it's because XLM has a lot of buy and hodling going on. A lot of it. Coinbase is one of them. Like 98% is in the buy on Coinbase with 2% in the sell. So liquidity, big story for XLM. And I'm not talking about liquidity as seller development of that. I'm talking about liquidity itself, trading volume, applicable juice there for XLM is small. But it's good for the hodlers. It means you got more people buying and stacking. XRP, overall decline in volume, 12.4% last 24 hours. But Big story here is you're starting to see these smaller exchanges really pump it up quite strongly. Think about this, an exchange ranked 439th has $20 million of volume with XRP with USDT, money printer go burr. That's bigger than any XLM pair, period. And that's Coinbase, Binance, that's KuCoin, any of the big ones out there. By the way, KuCoin, $1.2 million in volume. So not much juice with KuCoin. Again, a lot of buying, a lot of hodling for XLM. It's July 4th, everyone. We talked about how there could be some softness. Well, the softness is low volume. Fear and greed index, we're still in the greed. Not crazy, sitting at 61 right now. But volume has definitely been low. You still got to worry about things like PEPE 2.0. And what's trending most right now? PEPE, KEK, and Verge. Guys, this whole market is just so wonky and so weird. But you can see July 4th, XLM support has been soft. XRP volume soft overall. And with no big stories fueling the latest rally of XRP and XLM, we all knew some softness was going to come. Now, whether the softness was going to come from volume, a lack of liquidity is seen by buying and hodling with XLM. Either way, without any big news events coming, none of these moves here that you're seeing in crypto are going to stay. A while ago, I asked the XRP community, hey, how many of you believe that this latest XRP rally is going to last? 60% of you were like, girlfriend, ain't going to last. Well, guess what? The 60% of you were right. XLM, I asked a bunch of you. A lot more of you were optimistic, saying, nope, we are going to start moving from here. But what have we seen? Twin Peaks moving our way on down. Hit that 11.6, could not hold it. Now sitting around 10.4. No big news stories. You have to prop these things up. It's been a very, very quiet summer with positive news development-wise for XRP and XLM. The Judge Torres thing is even frustrating because no one even wants to hear it anymore. Deaton, no one wants to hear it anymore. I mean, yeah, we're glad you're supporting XRP, but come on, man. Like, predictions are doing nothing. Like, it's not. We need concrete news. We need Torres to hurry up, and we need some positive juice for the crypto markets. I am going to get a workout in today. You cool cats, though, have a great rest of your 4th of July.